In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use green screen in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. Alright, I'm inside Adobe After Effects. You can see my green screen video here. Now to remove this green background, you need to go to the Effects and Presets panel. Click on the search bar and type linear color key. This is the effect we are gonna use. Simply select and drop it on the layer. Next, you need to go to the Effects Control panel. Select this eyedropper tool and click on any color from the screen that you want to remove. Let me put some video in the background quickly. You can play with tolerance, softness, and other settings to achieve your desired results. Sometimes changing this RGB to hue gives a perfect video, but you'll have to try and adjust these settings according to you. Alright everybody, let's see the preview. And that looks great. Try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.